All right, today we're going to make an omelet. We're using 2 eggs. We're just going to start by cracking those eggs. Now, if you do get any shells in the bowl, what you can do is just use your cracked eggshell and scoop out any of the shells that are in the bowl. Get that out of the way. Now we're just going to start by whisking those eggs. I like to use a fork. You can use a whisk as well. I'm going to add a little bit of milk, pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Now you're ready to cook them. All right, so now we're at our pan. We're ready to cook our omelet. What you're going to do is you're going to put it on about medium heat, a little bit of oil in the pan. And we're going to spread that around, cover the pan. Once that's done, we're ready to pour in our eggs. And what you want to do is make sure it's not too high. And you can start by just removing some of that outside edge, bringing it in, and then filling in those gaps with some of the runny egg. And you can do that by just tilting your pan. Now you can see once the egg starts to harden a little bit, it's not as mushy anymore. We're going to add our cheese. I'm adding a little bit of chives and some fresh tomatoes. I'm just putting the tomatoes on half just so I can fold the other half of the egg over. I can now shut that off. Just going to go around the edges, make sure I'm able to flip it. Just going to get a bigger spatula, get under it, and I'm going to fold the egg over. We're ready to plate it. All right, so now we're ready to plate our omelet. It's nicely cooked. We're just going to get our spatula, get right under there, and slide it on the plate.